It's sunrise, and Maya is wide awake. 12 hours on a hospital floor, and her brain thinks it's morning because it is. By noon, the curtains leak light. By 5, she crashes. By 7, she's back at work, foggy, wired, and tired. If that sounds like you're weak, this video is for you. In the next 30 minutes, we'll walk through a science-backed, copy and paste, 7-day reset for night shifts. No scare tactics. Just a system, light, caffeine, naps, food, and a bedroom that beats daylight. Night shifts, a 7-day sleep reset that actually works. Your body runs on 2 clocks. 1. Sleep pressure. The longer you're awake, the heavier your eyelids. 2. Circadian rhythm. Your 24-hour timer set mostly by light. Night shifts pull these clocks apart. You stay awake overnight, but sunrise floods your eyes with the strongest wake-up signal on Earth, bright blue-rich light. Melatonin, your darkness hormone, stays low. Result: you feel awake when you want to sleep, and sleepy when you need to work. There's more. Caffeine hangs around for hours. Its half-life is 5 to 6 hours, so a 3 a.m. coffee can still be in your system at 9 a.m. Noise and heat during the day fragment sleep. Heavy meals before bed boost your core temperature and digestion, 2 things your brain interprets as not sleep time. This isn't a character flaw. It's biology. So we don't fight biology, we flip the inputs: light, timing, temperature, sound, caffeine, and naps. Use them right, and your days get steadier, your nights safer, and your weekends, yours again. Light is your steering wheel. At the start of your night shift, give yourself bright light overhead or a bright desk lamp so your brain gets the daytime signal. In the last 2 to 3 hours of your shift, dim it down to prepare for sleep. On your commute, wear dark sunglasses even if it's cloudy. Block the morning sun. At home, go straight into darkness, blackout curtains, minimal lights. If you need to move around, use warm amber bulbs or a dim headlamp. Caffeine is a tool, use it like one. Early in your shift, it's your friend. After the midpoint, it's a trap. Aim for your last dose 6 to 8 hours before you want to sleep. If you sleep at 8:30 a.m., stop caffeine by 12:30 to 2:30 a.m. Small doses work, 50 to 100 milligrams. Too much leads to jitters and a crash. Pro tip: if you must drive home and feel drowsy, take a 15 to 20-minute nap before leaving, or a caffeine nap. Drink coffee, set a 15-minute timer, head down, then go. If you still feel drowsy, don't drive. Your safety is worth 20 minutes. Cooler rooms mean deeper sleep. Aim for 17 to 19 degrees Celsius or 63 to 66 degrees Fahrenheit. A quick cool shower before bed can help lower core temperature. Keep airflow steady with a fan or AC. Daytime cities are loud. Use silicone earplugs and pink noise. Set your phone to do not disturb, allow urgent contacts only. Tell family and neighbors your sleep hours. A door sign helps. Heavy meals before bed heat you up and keep your gut busy. After your shift, keep it light. Protein plus complex carbs like yogurt and oats, eggs on whole grain, tofu and rice, dal and roti. Avoid alcohol, it fragments sleep. Hydrate during the shift, then sip rather than chug before bed to reduce bathroom wake-ups. One big block isn't your only option. Many night shifters feel best with split sleep, 4 to 6 hours right after your shift, then a 90-minute nap before work. The 90 minutes line up with a full sleep cycle, less sleep inertia, more alertness. On off days, keep an anchor, a consistent 4 to 6 hour block that stays in roughly the same place, so your body has a stable reference. Copy this plan if your schedule is 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., 3 nights on, 4 off. Adjust the times, keep the structure. Set the table for success. Nap 90 minutes between 2 to 4 p.m. Last caffeine at 6 p.m. Start your shift with bright light. Pack sunglasses. Plan a light post-shift meal. On shift, microdose caffeine early, stop by 1 to 2 a.m. If you dip at 3 a.m., take a 10 to 15-minute nap if your workplace allows. After shift, sunglasses on commute. Home by 8 a.m. Optional melatonin 0.5 to 1 mg 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Low dose is often enough. Dark, cool room. Sleep 8:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Wake, light stretch and a 20 to 30 minute walk outside around 4 p.m. Light meal. Nap 5 to 6:30 p.m. before shift. Repeat. Bright early, dim late. Last caffeine by 1 to 2 a.m. Sunglasses commute. Sleep 8:30 a.m. to 1:30 or 2:30 p.m. If sleep feels short, extend by 30 to 60 minutes. Pre-shift 90-minute nap again 5 to 6:30 p.m. After the final night, the mistake is sleeping 6 hours and destroying your night. Instead, do a bridge sleep, 3 hours only, roughly 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Wake up, get daylight, light meals, stay active. No naps. Bedtime tilde 10:30 p.m. This short bridge makes the flip much easier. Hold an anchor, sleep roughly 12:30 to 6 a.m. on off days. If you feel a 2 to 4 p.m. dip, take a 20 to 30 minute power nap, but set an alarm. Keep bright daylight in the morning. Avoid heavy meals near bedtime. Keep the room cool and dark even at night. For 8-hour shifts, use a smaller split, 4 to 5 hours main sleep after shift, plus a 60 to 90 minute nap 7 to 9 p.m. before work. Last caffeine by 1 p.m. if sleeping at 8:30 a.m. Keep an anchor of 1 to 6 a.m. on off days when possible. If you can't nap before shift, extend the main block to 6 hours and cut caffeine earlier. If your schedule rotates, push for forward rotations, days, evenings, nights. Your body adjusts better moving later, not earlier. 2 days before nights begin, go to bed and wake 90 minutes later than usual. Use the same light caffeine rules. If home is busy, make your sleep sacred. Door sign, do not disturb, white pink noise speaker outside the door to mask hallway sounds. Batch deliveries and chores. Ask family to cluster noisy tasks for later in the day. 3 common mistakes. Last caffeine too late. Fix, count backwards 6 to 8 hours from intended sleep. Full 6-hour sleep after the last night shift. Fix, use the 3-hour bridge to flip back. Heavy breakfast after shift. Fix, light protein plus complex carbs only. Bright screens before bed. Fix, blue light filters and dim mode, better no screens in bed. Noise waking you up. Fix, double up earplugs plus pink noise. I can push through the drive. Fix, if drowsy, nap before commuting. Safety first. Melatonin can help some night shifters. Start low, 0.5 to 1 mg, 30 to 60 minutes before intended sleep after your shift. More isn't better, higher doses can cause grogginess. Skip melatonin if pregnant, trying to conceive, breastfeeding, or if you take medications with interactions. If you snore loudly, wake choking, or still feel wrecked after trying this system for 2 weeks, speak with a sleep professional. Sleep apnea and insomnia are treatable. And a reminder, this is education, not medical advice. Your situation is personal, adjust with your clinician if needed. Your weekly checklist. Bright early in shift, dim late. Sunglasses commute, blackout room. Last caffeine 6 to 8 hours before sleep. Split sleep, 5 to 6 hours plus 90-minute nap. Bridge sleep after last night, 3 hours only. Cool, quiet, dark bedroom. Light post-shift meal. Try it for 1 week. Comment day 1 and tell us your shift. We'll help you tweak it. Next up, caffeine timing for night shifts, the 2 a.m. trap. It pairs perfectly with this video. Sleep safe.